Hello all. So in continuation with our previous session, today we are going to see about the types of fibers. So already we have seen the classification of the fibers and in in what are the types of fibers which has been classified with respect to the plant. Okay, so in this way we are continuing the same topic, but the classification has been differed. Instead, not only about the plant fibers, but also we have to see about animal fibers, mineral fibers, microorganism, cellulosic fibers, protein, natural composites fibers. So these are the fibers which we are using for our for the research. They are doing a huge amount of research which has been carried out. So most of the research is totally based upon the plant fibers. So if you take a plant fibers as an example, we used to take the fibers from stem, leaves, bark, and some of the examples which has been included like cotton, hemp, flax, jute, rami, bamboo, and sisal. If you take an animal fiber, these fibers are obtained from the hair, fleece, or silk of various animals. And some of the examples which I am going to say is wool, silk, alpaca, llama, and angora rabbit. And for mineral fibers, it has been obtained from minerals. Some of the examples like asbestos, glass fibers, and carbon fibers, these are also called it as a man-made fibers. This man-made fibers having another name, that name is what do you call that, mineral fibers. And coming to microorganism fibers, those are obtained from microorganisms such as algae and bacteria. Cellulosic fibers means these fibers are made from cellulose, the main component of the plants of plant cell walls. Examples such as cotton, flax, and hemp. If you take a protein fibers, these fibers are made from protein and typically it has been obtained from the animals. Examples which has been include like wool and the silk. The natural composite fibers such as we know that very well, that is an wood fibers mixed with the resin, or example the coconut fibers mixed with the rubber. So this is what you call the natural composites. Okay, so here so this based upon this classification we used to see the different kind of fibers which has been obtained from animals, plants, minerals, and along with that natural composite. So what are the unique properties of these fibers have? Whether all fibers having same kind of properties, or in which way these fibers are helpful for making a valuable product to the humans. So some of the properties which I was listed. Okay, the first one, it is a biodegradable. The reason for choosing the natural fiber, it is because the fiber can decompose naturally. We don't there is no risk of decomposing these fibers. Okay, suppose if you take a man-made fibers, we need to decompose it, and accordingly there is a huge amount of process which has been carried out to decompose. Okay, it increases the expenses to decompose, and it is one of the most difficult process and highly expensive. But in case of natural fibers, it is an it can decompose naturally, and it can reducing the environmental impact on of disposing them. And coming to renewable, these are produced from the plants and animals that can be replenished. Okay, and it having a good property in absorbent, it can able to absorb the moisture and release it again, making them comfortable to wear in warm and humid climates. And also it is a strong and durable. These are the strong and durable, and making them suitable for varieties of applications. So that is why it is called it as in strong and the durable. In case of insulative, it can provide the good insulation and helping to keep the body warm in cold weather. Okay, So the basic properties which we have seen in this natural fiber is biodegradable, renewable, absorbent, strong and durable, and insulative. So because of these properties, nowadays the researchers has been focusing on natural fibers. The major advantage of this biodegradable. Hence, most of the researches has been carried out only in biodegradable and renewable. That is why here these are some of the important properties of the nature fibers which I listed here. Thank you.